हेलो फ्रेंड्स, संडे एकेडमी आपको स्वागत। आज आम डिस्कसन करवा एनटीपीसी एंड आरआरबी ग्रुप डी रो ट्रेडिशनल जीके इंडियन पॉलिटी पार्ट 1। चलो स्टार्ट करवा। आज पर द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया, पंचायत at the intermediate level may not be constituted in a state having a population not exceeding 30 lakhs, 40 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs. Answer about D, 20 lakhs. Panchayats at the intermediate level may not be constituted in a state having a population not exceeding 20 lakhs. Question number 2. The first health minister of independent India was Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Vijay Lakshmi Pandit, Rajkumari Amrit Kaur. Answer अब आपनकर D, Rajkumari Amrit Kaur। ठीक अछि। Next जीवा question. Question 3. The inaugural session of the Supreme Court of India took place on 28th January 1950, 29th January, 31st January or 26th January. Answer अब आपनकर A, 28th January 1950. The inaugural session of the Supreme Court of India took place on 20th January 1950. Question number 4. Who was appointed as Assembly's constitutional advisor in 1946 during the framing of Indian Constitution? B.N. Rao, B.R. Ami Iyengar, K.M. Munna-Dabharkar, Gopal Swasey. Answer of आपनकर B.N. Rao. B.N. Rao was appointed as the constitutional advisor to the Constitutional Assembly in formulating the Indian Constitution in 1946. He was responsible for the general structure of the democratic framework of the Constitution and prepared its initial draft in February 1948. Question number 5. Which of the following is not a constitutional body? Financial Commission, Niti Aayog, National Commission for Scheduled Tribes, Election Commission. Answer above be Niti Aayog. Niti Aayog, former planning commissioner, has never been passed an act of parliament nor has it been mentioned anywhere in the constitution, and thus it is definitely neither a statutory nor a constitutional body. It was formed on 1st January 2015. The Prime Minister is always the chairperson of Niti Aayog. Question number 6. Which of the following adjectives is not a part of the preamble? Liberty, tolerant, sovereign, secular. Answer of आपन B, tolerant. Tolerant is not a part of the preamble. Question number 7. How many members were there in the drafting committee of the Indian Constitution? 5, 7, 3 or 10. Answer of आपन B, 7. The drafting committee consisted of 7 members. It was set up on August 29, 1947. The committee was responsible for preparing the draft of the Indian Constitution. Question 8. Who had headed the drafting committee of the Constitution? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Jawaharlal Nehru, V.P. Menon, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Answer आपनकर A, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Okay. Question 9. Who headed the Provisional Constitutional Committee? Rajendra Prasad, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, V.P. Menon, Jawaharlal Nehru. Answer आपनकर B, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Question number 10. Which type of citizenship is provided by the Constitution of India? Single citizenship, regional citizenship, dual citizenship, temporary citizenship. Answer A, आपनकर single citizenship. Indian Constitution provides for single citizenship, which means that there is no concept of state citizenship. Also, one cannot have of India and any other country simultaneously. ପିଲାମାନେ ଇଏ ହେଲା ଆମର ସନ୍ଡେ ଏକାଡେମୀର ଆଇଏସ୍ ଓଏସ୍ ବ୍ୟାଚ୍, ଯେଉଁଟାକି ୟୁପିଏସ୍ସି ଓପିଏସ୍ସି ସିଏସ୍ ଫାଉଣ୍ଡେସନ୍ ବ୍ୟାଚ୍ ରହିଛି, ଯେଉଁଟାକି ପ୍ରିଲିମ୍ସ ମେନ୍ସ ଆଉ ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁର ପୁରା ଫୁଲ୍ ପ୍ୟାକେଜ୍ ପ୍ରିପାରେସନ୍ ଦେଉଛି। ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କର ଡ୍ୟୁରେସନ୍ ନେବ 1 ଇୟର୍। ଉପରେ ଦୁଇଟା ନମ୍ବର ଆପଣ କଣ୍ଟାକ୍ଟ କରିପାରିବେ, ନହେଲେ ଅଫିସ୍ ଆଡ୍ରେସ୍ ଭିଜିଟ୍ କରିପାରିବେ। ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କୋର୍ସ ଆମ ପାଖରେ ଆଭେଲେବଲ୍ ଅଛି ସନ୍ଡେ ଏକାଡେମୀର ଓପିଏସ୍ସି ଏସ୍ ବ୍ୟାଚ୍, ଯେଉଁଟାକି ଡ୍ୟୁରେସନ୍ ରହିବ 6 ମନ୍ଥ। ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଅଫିସ୍ ଆଡ୍ରେସ୍ ଆପଣ ଭିଜିଟ୍ କରିପାରିବେ, ନହେଲେ ଆପଣ ଉପରେ ଦୁଇଟା ନମ୍ବରରେ କଣ୍ଟାକ୍ଟ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କଲେ ଆପଣ ଡିଟେଲ୍ରେ ସବୁ କିଛି ଜାଣିପାରିବେ। Next question है when did the constitutional constituent assembly adopt the constitution of India? 26 November 1949, 26 January 1950, 26 November 1947, 26 January 1947. Answer of आपण करें 26 November 1949. The republic is governed in terms of Constitution of India, which was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on 26 November 1949, and it came into the force on 26 January 1950. In 1967, which of the following language was included in the list of state languages of the Indian Constitution? Bengali, Sindhi, Telugu, or Tamil? Answer option B, Sindhi. Okay. Sindhi language was added in 1967. Thereafter, three more languages, Bhaya, Konkani, Manipur, and Nepali, were included in 1992. Subsequently, Bodo, Dongri, Maithili, and Santali were added in 2014. So, we are mone rakhi mein most important questions ho eguda. Question number 13. Who is considered as the father of the Indian Constitution? Rajendra Prasad, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhim Rao Ambedkar. Answer option D, Bhim Rao Ambedkar. Okay. Bhim Rao Ambedkar is considered as the father of the Indian Constitution. He was the chief architect of the Constitution of India. He was appointed chief chairman of the Constitutional Drafting Committee in 1947. He was the Independence India's first Minister of Law and Justice. এটা মন রাখিথিবে এটা भी बहुत थोड़ा बार बार पढ़िछे क्वेश्चन. Question 14. Who among the following was not a part of the Constitutional Assembly responsible to draft the Constitution? Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Answer ଆପଣଙ୍କର Mahatma Gandhi. Okay. Mahatma Gandhi ରାତିରେ ଏଟା ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣମାନେ what a big deal question. ଆପଣ କ'ଣ ଏଲିମିନେସନ କରିବେ ତାହେଲେ. Question number 15. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Constitutional Assembly of India? Rajendra Prasad, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Jawaharlal Nehru, B.R. Ambedkar. Answer ଆପଣଙ୍କର D, B.R. Ambedkar. ठीक ଅଛି. Question number 16. On which day is Constitutional Day celebrated every year in India? 13 November, 15 October, 26 November, 2 October. Answer number C, 26 November. এটা মনে রাখতে বহুত বড় Constitutional Day, also known as Samvidhan Divas, is celebrated in our country on 26 November every year to commemorate the adoption of the Constitution of India. On 26 November 1949, the Constitutional Assembly of India adopted the Constitution of India, which came into effect from 26th January 1950. এটা মনে রাখতে important question. Question number 7. Who described the preamble of the Indian Constitution as the political horoscope of the Indian Constitution? N.K. Pakhiwala, Kanhaiyalal Maniklal Munshi, Thakur Das Bhargava, Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. Answer ଆପଣଙ୍କର B, Kanhaiyalal Maniklal Munshi. ଏଇଟା ମନେ ରଖିଥିବେ. Kanhaiyalal Maniklal Munshi described the preamble of the Indian Constitution as the political horoscope of the Indian Constitution. When was the first constituent assembly election held in India? 1947, 1946, 1949, 1948. Answer ଆପଣଙ୍କର B, 1946. The cabinet mission envisaged the establishment of the Constitutional Assembly to frame a constitution for the country. The first constituent assembly election held in India in 1946. Members of the Constituent Assembly were elected by the provisional legislative assemblies. Question 19. In which year did Motilal Nehru, chairman, and 8 other Congress leaders draft a constitution for India? 1925, 50, 28 or 30. Answer ଆପଣଙ୍କର C, 1928. The Motilal Nehru report 1928 was made by a committee headed by the Pandit Motilal Nehru. This committee was created when Lord Birkenhead, Secretary of the State of India, asked the Indian leaders to draft a constitution for the country. Okay. Last question. Which of the following is not a feature of the Indian federal system? Written constitution, independent judiciary to settle dispute, single tier government, division of power between the center and the state. Answer about C, single tier government. Single tier government is not a feature of the Indian federal system. India has three level of government: union government, state government and local government. ओके, ये है हमारा सौर्य एकेडमी आईएएस एंड ओएस बैच जोटा कि आपनकर यूपीएससी रो ओपीएससी रो सिक्स फाउंडेशन बैच रही प्रिलिम्स मेंस इंटरव्यू पे रहइबो 1 ईयर जर्नी रहइबो आपण मान को ए टू जेड सपोर्ट करा जीवो आपनको मेंटर मेंटर भाव में बहुत बढ़िया गाइडेंस दिया जीवो किसी जाना चाहते अपन ऊपर नंबर कांटेक्ट करेंगे आज चाहिए ऑफिस को विजिट करेंगे सन एकेडमी पाखे आउ गोटे कोर्स अच्छी जोटा कि एसएससी ओएसएससी और ट्रिपल एसएससी हाइब्रिड बैच ड्यूरेशन 6 मंथ आपण मैंने ऑफिस एड्रेस विजिट करेंगे ना ऊपर नंबर करेंगे सहित आम पाखे लाइब्रेरी फैसिलिटी अच्छी आप लाइब्रेरी ऊपर नंबर कांटेक्ट करेंगे पे मैंने आज क्वेश्चन नंबर है द आइडियाज ऑफ लिबर्टी इक्वालिटी एंड फ्रेटर्निटी कंटेंट in the preamble of the Constitution of India are borrowed from the Constitution of which country? Australia, Canada, Germany or France? यही आंसरटा आपण मैंने निजे कमेंट सेक्शन में आंसर देवे जार आंसर ठीक है आम गोटे हार्ट स्माइली देवु आपण मैंने जानीपर आप आंसर ठीक अच्छे तेणु आपण मान वीडियो केमी लगे आपण मैंने आम को निज कमेंट में जनइबे प्लीज चैनल टी लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करेंगे आ बेल आइकन दबावे जो कि आपण मैंने जिते वीडियो अपलोड होची आप इमिडिएटली जानीपारे और वीडियो देखीदे आप गोटे दिन 20टा क्वेश्चन जो आम डिस्कसन कर गोटे डिटेल ब्रीफ इनफॉरमेशन भी अच्छे जो कि मैंने डिटेल नॉलेज गेन कर जोटा कि आप इजी रे विषय गोटे आइडिया हो एनटीपीसी केमती कौन क्वेश्चन पढ़ा जाऊँगा पढ़ो यहाँ पूरा सियोर सर्ट क्वेश्चन डैम सियोर या किसी बाहर पड़ो ना ठीक अच्छे आउ वीडियो देखते हो धन्यवाद थैंक यू।